family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Selina Zinchuk. So my last video I show you guys how I moisturize my hair, and that method just leave my hair feeling very soft and very moisturized. Now to moisturize my hair, I use my S Secrets Growth Oil, my 21 ingredient growth oil, and then I also use my cream, curl enhancing cream, which is not out yet. It's just like it's in the development stage or in the testing phase. So I use those two products to moisturize my hair, and my hair felt very dry before I did that, and this is how it is looking right now. So I decided to try something new. I decided to see if this is gonna work. I plan on steaming my straight hair. You guys know when I do my deep condition treatment, I always love to steam my hair, right? To put in that moisture, to give it hydration and things like that. So I was like, my silk press been over 3 weeks now. So I was like, let me try steaming it and see how it's gonna feel, how it's gonna look. I pray that it wouldn't revert, but this is just going to be or steam just to put back hydration into my hair, since I'm not doing my regular hair routine, which is to pre-poo, shampoo, deep condition, and then moisturize my hair on a weekly basis. Now it's over 3 weeks going to a month. I haven't washed my hair, I haven't done any of those things. I only just moisturize my hair. So I was like, let me try something new. If it revert, fine. It's time for a wash day anyway. Or I way past due a wash day, right? So if it revert, then I wouldn't be doing from straight to curly. But if it doesn't and it leave my hair feeling very soft and moisturized, then I will keep this hair for a month or even push it to a month plus. So I got my shower cap here. I'm going to wrap my hair, and then I will come back. We'll put the shower cap on, and then I will go and get the steamer. We'll put the steamer on, and then afterwards, let's see how it's gonna look. If it's gonna make any big difference, if the texture gonna be different, if it's gonna be more fluffy. I'm just curious to see what's gonna happen. So let's put this to a test and see. This is the brush that I use to wrap my hair. This is a Tangle Teaser. I noticed that it wrapped my hair better than this brush. So after wrapping my hair, I have my shower cap. I'm just going to put that on. This is my steamy cap that has flax seeds in it. I'm just going to go and put this in the microwave for 1 minute, and then I'll put this on my hair and leave it on for 30 minutes. Putting this in the microwave, I can already feel this steam coming out from on it. Okay family, so let's see how this is going to turn out after 30 minutes. I'll be back after 30 minutes. Family, so I'm back from my steaming treatment. Let's see how this is going to look. Let me just try to take this down. You're smarting about, Sonia. I noticed that my hair feels thicker. It got more body to it. It feels softer than me just moisturizing and wrapping it. Me going under the steamer, it really make a big difference. And then my hair also feel more fluffy. So let me turn it around, and you can see the back section. Sonia, come and help me comb the back section for me a bit. Okay, so just help me comb everything to the back. Let's see how it's gonna look. Okay, that's enough. Thank you. So this is how the back is looking. You guys get to see it first before me.
It's nice.
Thank you. And it just have more body to it. Look. Yeah, it feels so. Let me bring this camera on a little bit. So it feels so fluffy, as if to say I just got my hair done, and this is a screwed press that going up to a month now, and it still have a lot of body to it, and it just feels so good. So I would highly recommend you steaming your straight hair. As you can see, my hair didn't revert; it's still straight. And then that also just helps to add extra moisture to our hair so it doesn't feel dry and brittle for it to break off. So I highly recommend this. I haven't seen anyone doing this. It's just something I wanted to try myself and see how my hair was going to look with it and how my hair was going to feel with it. But yes, I'm loving it. Okay, family, so if you love this video, please do not forget to give it a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.